How to find Instagram group chat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Instagram group chat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and now go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is, your username and your password, and log in further. You will be further led to the Instagram feed. Here, tap on the messages icon on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the messages tab. You will be able to view all your messages from this tab right here. On the top, you will see a search bar. Tap on that and now go ahead and search for the group chat you are trying to find and tap on the name of the group chat, and with this you will be able to access the group chat. So this is how you can find Instagram group chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.